So we found the existing wire. The plane goes by. We found the third wire coming around in a totally different way, but we located it. It's buried at a good depth. We're about 7 inches deep. This wire hasn't been opened or doesn't have any connections prior to this. So we're gonna cut this, we're gonna splice it, and then run it over towards the front. So anytime we're working on an existing system, there's always more troubles than if we're just starting brand new, but there is some cost savings. So in this case, we're just trying to figure out where the wire is coming out of the house, underneath the patio, determining that, and then from there, we'll look to see where that first connection is. So some of this wire we might be able to use. Wire typically is gonna have a 25 to 50 year life underground, if the connections are done correctly. So what we'll do is if we're able to use 2 or 3 of these wires and we don't need any more, we're able to cut it before that first connection, run all new wires, do proper connections on it, make sure there's no corrosion in the wire. So right now that was the one thing we are uncertain about coming into installation day, is how the wires are coming from the transformer across the patio. Something that if we had more time, we would test every single detail, but you just can't test everything before you really get into it. So that's what we're doing right now. We're just determining what the wire diagramming looks like exactly, and then building out from there.